Bernie's got one. Got a, looks like a pretty decent trout. That's perfect pan frying size. Nice job, babe. Well, this is how we're spending our anniversary. A lot of fun. We camped here when we were young. Oh yeah, beautiful. Bring him up here. Mama's got another nice fish.
Look at him.
Look at that pole. He's just fighting her right now. Oh, he's a nice fish. He's pretty good. Keep him out there for a minute. That's a beautiful fish. I don't know if you can see that. Mama. There he is.